Today the world is really crowded. People talk all the time about big data, and they talk about how, there's like 27 gigabytes of information. I mean, I don't even know what that means because it's so big. And if there's that much information, people are overloaded. You have to figure out a way to really engage and be meaningful to people. I think gamification helps people feel like they have some purpose and some involvement in what they're doing, which everybody should care about because I think just from a humanitarian standpoint, it's great to have purpose and to create purpose for people. The first step is to really start by listening, really engage with the members of your community, really reach out, cast a broad net, but really start to understand, why are these people here? Why are they interested in participating with me? What is it that I have unique to offer, and how can I help them? Once you realize that, then you can provide incentives. And when you're providing those incentives, they can really be based on what it is that people want to get out of the experience, not just what you want to get out of as a business. Because, I think people are going to walk away from things if they feel like it's just about you and your business idea. And then the third thing is to really create those levels. So not just to have those rewards, but to have like that upper tier. Because then people strive to get to that tier, even if it's like the first time they interact with you, it becomes a hook that they're interested in. And the final thing is that with any game, some people are sorry losers, and you really need to consider that and to try to think, what are people going to do when they're unhappy? What if they don't make it to that tier, but they think they should have gotten there for some reason? And really plan out what your rules are, make sure that they're really clear to people, and then one of the things that we've seen is that the benefit of having the gamification is not just the engagement, but the self-policing. It's amazing how people embody the game almost, and they really want to participate in it. They take it to heart, and then, if somebody does become a little bit of a sorry apple, you don't even have to be the one that helps to sort of correct it. A lot of times the community and those people participating do it for you. People talk about prizes and prizes for the sake of prizes. They really don't seem to have that much impact in gamification, but when you listen and see what people are doing and what motivates your community of users, every community is going to have a different set of motivations, but creating layers of recognition has been very useful. People really strive to get to other layers. We have a high layer called the Rainmaker, and we've added a conference for those people, and so people are interested to be able to attend that conference to sort of feel the reward for their activity. And then the other thing is to help to connect the people within the community. One of the things that we saw is that at different levels it made sense for people to be able to talk to each other. So the data.com community is really a mixture of people participating in gamification for the reward and the recognition, as well as the ability to grow professionally by interacting in the community.